Yes, I do believe a heart is required.
That is enough, Jack. What happened tonight was so scary, and the reason that it happened is that we were not being honest with each other. So from now on, no more secrets.
Okay, I'll go first. I have a crush on the Mentalist.
It's just family only, Lemon, damn it.
There is one more secret Jack and I have been keeping from all of you. We were planning to elope in the Caribbean over New Year's, but now we want you all to come.
Oh, how wonderful. You know what I learned tonight? As hard as you try, no one can escape the horror of Christmas. So it might as well be with your own family. I'm gonna go get a bus to Whitehaven now, and I should be home just in time for Aunt Linda to try to prove that she's sober by holding someone's baby while cooking.
Listen, Jackie, everything I've ever done in life has been to protect you.
I know.
And if I got upset earlier, it's because I want your life to be perfect. Unlike mine.
Don't let him off the hook, Conley. What he did tonight was wrong, and he owes you an apology.
Please, son. I almost died. And using your father like that is so disrespectful. He's a doctor, for God's sakes.
Your mother and I are very disappointed in you, Jack.
What are you smiling at? Fruitcake.
Just my mom and dad yelling at me. Together. Milton, the Clinton boom years were just an after effect of Reaganomics. And Mother, you cannot invite anyone to the wedding.
What happened to the heart attack?
Let me tell you with this talk about Reaganomics.
I knew you hold back.
You insult your own
Don't invite
integrity.
anybody.
Milton, the Clinton boom years were just an after effect of Reaganomics. And Mother, you cannot invite anyone to the wedding.
What happened to the heart attack?
Let me tell you with this talk about Reaganomics.
I knew you hold back.
You insult your own
Don't invite
integrity.
anybody
Let me tell you
to
something
this
what you
wedding.
sound like.
To this
You
wedding or
sound
any
like
other.
typical capital.
Maybe I'll invite you to the Perkins.
Long lay the world in sin and darkness pining till he appeared and the soul felt his word. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Oh, on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. And I hope everybody have a Merry Christmas. And somebody needs to clean this table up. It's disgusting. Fred, wake up! Merry Christmas from the chunks.
There is a planet on the other side of the ring.
We're going to make sure it's safe. They were foolish to think they could live there.
This place is our only hope. We're not giving it up.
I need to know what it